Welcome to White Bear Lincoln, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with remote trunk release, rear spoiler, keyless entry, air conditioning, traction control, cruise control, CD player, power windows, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, and has less than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Since 1978, family-owned White Bear Lincoln has been providing our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing experience around. We provide a friendly atmosphere where you know you're getting the best service because we care about our customers. Our knowledgeable staff is here to make sure that you find a vehicle that is just right for you. Our online reviews say it all. Come see for yourself why so many happy customers choose White Bear Lincoln.